In this video, we're going to be talking about the CSS font weight property. Now, in the last video, we talked about the CSS font family property over here. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the CSS font weight property. Now, what this font weight property does is it adds a little thickness to your font. Okay? So now, we are still putting this inside our body rule set. And remember, whenever we put a styling inside our body, it will be applied to everything inside the HTML body element. It will be applied to this H1, H2, and the paragraph, everything inside the body element. So that is the inheritance we have been talking about. Don't forget that. So now, concerning this font weight property, you say font hyphen weight. Now, this font weight property has values. It has many values. But we're going to be talking about these four major values in this video. We're going to start with the lighter. It has the lighter value, it has the bold value, it has bolder, and it has normal. So let's start with lighter over here. Now let's refresh this on our web page and see what it will do to our font. Now let's refresh this. Now you see for the lighter, it didn't really do much to our fonts. It's just the same. Now let's use another value, which is the normal. Let's use normal. Now let's refresh this. You can see it still didn't really do much. Okay, now let's use the bold value. Let's use bold. Now let's see this on our web page. Now you can see it's a little bit bolder, especially the paragraphs. You can see it's a little bit bolder. Now let's use the bolder. Now let's refresh, and it's the same. So if you notice, you will see that the lighter and the normal, they are the same, and then the bolder and the bold, they are the same. So the lighter and normal is the same, and the bolder and bold is the same. So the bolder and the bold makes it a little bit more bold, but the lighter and the normal, they don't really do much to the text. So if you want to make your text bolder, at least you use the bold or you use the bolder. So you can see how this CSS font weight property works. It adds a little bit of a thickness to our font, makes it a little bit dynamic. So yeah, so that is it for the CSS font weight property. Yeah, so that will be it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.